back to my channel, Tamika's Lifestyle and Adventures. As you see in the title, today I am going to be doing a DIY on my kitchen. So technically it's not a kitchen, a full kitchen, it's a kitchenette. But you know, I'm excited about doing it anyway, because as you see in the thumbnail, the kitchen looks blah. It's washed out, the color I can't really do much with the color on the walls because I'm just going to repaint that the same color. But I am going to do what a lot of YouTubers been doing. Not a lot, but some. And I discovered it and I was like, oh my goodness. I was trying to figure out a way to redo my kitchen without, well, trying to figure out a way to make it better. Not redo, because I couldn't redo the kitchen. I couldn't physically tear out, cabinets or anything like that. But I had to come up with something. And then across social media platforms, I noticed that a couple of people were, doing their kitchens over, and how they were doing it over. They were using contact paper. I was like, wow, you can do that to cover up these walls. So I'm so amped up and excited. I'm going to show you guys what I have that I got off of Amazon. Okay. So I did get contact paper. I'm going to show you. So I chose coffee. I chose a coffee color. Yep. And I'm going to also do over my countertop, and I chose this marble color. And I cannot wait to see the outcome. Okay guys, so there's other things I had to purchase along with the contact paper. And what I did was I did my little research and I discovered that you're definitely gonna need a squeegee in order to lay the contact paper down proper way. So I will definitely show you what that looks like. I'm not gonna assume that everyone knows what a squeegee is. So I'm gonna show you that right now. But there's also other things I'm gonna do. So I think I kind of mentioned early on in the video that I'm gonna paint parts of the wall that's here in the area of the kitchen. I'm going to do the counter with the marble contact paper, and then also I'm going to put towel. I'm going to show you what that is. That's tile. I'm going to show you exactly what that is. Okay. All right, guys. So this is the kit that I purchased from Amazon. It came with the 3 squeegees, 1, 2, and 3, the wider one, a measuring tape, precision knife, and I'm assuming the other one is similar to like the precision knife too. It's like a box cutter, but it's the same thing. You're definitely going to need that when you're trying to cut your paper, your contact paper. And then I also said I was going to show you the tile. So if any of you guys been to Dollar Tree recently in the past couple of years, they do have this imitation tile right here. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to lay it as a backsplash behind my sink, and I'm excited about it. Okay, so it's a lot that has to be done. All right, so a couple of things I'm going to do. The first thing I'm going to do, which I don't think I mentioned that in the previous clips. If you see back here, I have some built up calcium that is along the edge of the sink and over here in the middle area of the faucet. So I am going to attempt to get that off with the CLR. And I'm up for the task and I'm ready for it. So I'm going to back up a little bit so you guys can see. I'm going to paint up there. Okay. And I'm going to paint not too many places because I am going to cover it with the tile. It's going to be kind of pointless to even try to, try to do all the other extra stuff. Because it's going to be covered. So there's no need to, I don't know if the paint will affect it or not. So I was figuring to myself, that maybe you shouldn't paint this whole area. Just paint up to the point where you're going to cover the tiles. And then hopefully it'll come out nice. I'm sure it will. I have no doubt in my mind that it's going to come out nice. I have total faith that's going to get done. Now, if there's going to be some craziness going on, probably have to reapply, take off, reapply. The contact paper, I could just foresee it, but I'm not speaking into existence. But hey, anything is gonna happen. And oh, totally forgot the hardware. Okay, that's gonna be done. I'm gonna change these out. I have a total of 4. Whew, child, I'm gonna get started. And wish me luck. Okay guys, as you can see, I was able to get all the calcium off. All right, we're going to start painting now. As I stated earlier, I'm going to paint the top of the cabinet because once I finish the contact paper, I want to have a more crisp look, okay? I don't want it looking, nice at the bottom, then at the top is looking a little crazy, It wouldn't be a complete look if I left it like that. All right, so I'm only painting, like I said, up to the point where I'm going to lay the tile, just so it can stick. I don't want to take any chances, as I said. But I'm going to go over this again with the second layer. Okay, guys, so the paint is dry now. So now I'm going to move on to putting the contact paper up. But before I do that, I have to get rid of these handles here. They have to go. I have to take them off. If you haven't noticed already, but I'm sure you have, that my cabinets are inconsistent. This top part right here is actually metal. It is metal, okay? And then the bottom part is wood. So I cannot take off the doors like most people do because the way it's structured doesn't permit, okay? So I'm gonna have to take the handles off first and lay the contact paper down that way and see what happens from there. Got it. Okay, guys, this one is a tad bit annoying. This one little nail will not come out of here, and I guess it's just years of built up paint, I'm assuming. Woo! Hopefully I can get it off. It's a lot. All right, guys, so I have to take off the excess paint at the top in order for the contact paper to be able to stick, because this has been years of built up paint before I even moved in here. And I've been here for multiple years. All right, the degreasing is done now. So I'm letting it dry and I'm going to move forward with applying the contact paper. All right, so first I'm gonna do some measurements before I actually lay the contact paper. And here's the measuring tape that came with the packet that I showed you guys. So here we go. From the top to the bottom. Well, let me turn this over, not centimeters. So it's approximately like 30 inches. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna apply the first one. Alrighty, wish me luck. Let's see. All right, a little bit nervous here, but I'm sure I can do it. Okay, the back is done. I just did the front, but I had to take it off. I need to reapply. All right, so I'm gonna try to do it again on camera. I'm gonna have to open this cabinet, so let me shift you guys over slightly. Yeah, so that you can really see me do it. So that's one door so far. I'm sure it's gonna look nice once you put the handles on. Alrighty guys, so we are in our last and final stage of the overhaul of this kitchenette, okay? I am done. As you can see, I have finished the contact paper on the cabinets. Alrighty, here you go. And now I'm moving on to laying the tiles. I finished the countertops, so I will show you what I did with that first. And we're gonna move on. So sit back and relax. I'm going to just go ahead and start laying it. All right, guys, so here you go. Here's a countertop. It is done. I'm loving the marble. It gives it a nice finished look. I'm super excited about it. I had to cut it in order to fit between the two opening areas. And then I glued it on the side so they can stay shut. Once I get on the wall, I'll press it more, and then the adhesive will, cause it to stick together. Alrighty. Okay guys, we are done. The project is complete and I'm excited about it. I'm satisfied with everything I've done. I love it. It came out pretty good. Now, let me be honest, there will be some mistakes that you're gonna make. It comes with the territory when you're doing something new and you're laying contact paper and you're dealing with adhesive, okay? Anything can take place. So keep that in mind. I had to fix a couple of things, hide a couple of things, but for the most part, I am so satisfied with the outcome, as I said. And I love my cabinets being done with the contact paper, my marble contact paper that I use for my countertop, and the tiles that I use, I got from Dollar Tree. So I love it. And the whole thing, I'm well pleased. I'm very much satisfied with it, and I cannot believe it. It looks like a totally different kitchenette. And I'm satisfied with it. I hope that this video inspires you to want to do a little overhaul on your kitchen, especially if you're renting somewhere. You can't destroy or tear up their stuff, but what you can do is use removable contact paper as a substitute. And also, I think I might have mentioned I was going to get rid of the hardware, but unfortunately I had to keep the hardware because of the aging of this cabinet. I had to use the same one. The handles that I purchased from Amazon wouldn't fit. It was off by like 2 centimeters. But anyway, guys, if you felt like I was talking too much in this video, trust me, I feel the same way. I was like, girl, stop talking so much. But anyway, I had a good time. Until next time. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Toodles, until next time.